Alright, so we're going to do a light service on this PBR lefty. It's the aluminum version, it comes stock on the F1. All you really need is a bottom bracket tool. I've got a Shimano one here. And you will need a shock pump as well. The bearings are moving like this, and there's lines of them. And after 30 hours, 40 hours, they start to get unaligned, so your shock isn't working quite as properly. So what you do is release the pressure in your shock. You will then take your tool, loosen the top part of your shock right here, and I will go over that further. So you're going to unscrew this top cap here. And I guess the important thing to remember is that there's spacers, gaskets, I guess, that you don't want to get out of place. What you're dealing with is these two silver spacers that are just below that red button, and it consists of two of the same piece, if I can get one out. So what I just took out is two pieces that go like that, and they go right there. I want to set those aside somewhere where you won't forget them. And how I've been told to do this is you need to action your fork so it hits its point. You can kind of feel it doesn't feel very solid, and you'll bump it a few times until it throws all the bearings down and resets. And so essentially then they're all calibrated again at the same level. And this starts to feel more solid, and you know they're really all down there, which I think was what I'm getting at now. Feels kind of odd, doesn't feel right to do this to your fork, but from what I've been told, there's nothing you need to worry about as far as harming goes. So I'm going to push it back up and reinstall what I just had there. That holds it there pretty much in place so it doesn't drop down further. Put that crown on. You're going to want to tighten this pretty dang tight. Go ahead and reset your air pressure. Alright, so first thought, let's see where we're at. Yeah, feels better.